My dear students, we are locked down in our houses due to COVID-19 virus. In this situation, you cannot go to school. I cannot teach you in your classroom, but you have to study. How will I study? How will I start your study? This is a big problem. To solve this problem, we have developed a new method of teaching. This is for class 12 physics. The topic is electric charge and field. This is the first chapter in electrostatics. Now we learn what is called charge. This denoted by Q. In class 10 you have studied I is equal to Q by T. Okay. I is the current, Q is the charge and T is the time. From here you find Q is equal to what? I into T. From here SI unit of charge is what? Ampere second, and this is known as coulomb. Now see what is called 1 coulomb of charge. Listen carefully. If I is equal to 1 ampere, T is equal to 1 second, then Q is equal to coming 1 coulomb. It means in a conductor, if 1 ampere current flows till 1 second, then charge flowing in the conductor is of 1 coulomb. Okay. Now we learn basic properties of charge. So here there are 3 basic properties. Number 1 is additive property. What the additive property is, since electric charge is a scalar quantity, so any system if contains Q1 charge, Q2 charge, Q3 charge, means a number of charges, then the net charge of the conductor or the substance will be Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. If more charges like this, simply will add. Second, you learn here that is called quantization of charge. Number 2, quantization of charge. What it means, you cannot give any charge, any amount of charge to any conductor. The maximum charge contained by a conductor is given by the formula Q is equal to plus minus N into E. Here N is an integer and E is magnitude of charge of electron. It means E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. N is an integer, N is equal to 1, 2, 3 like this. It cannot be a fraction. Please keep into mind, N cannot be a fraction. Now you see, what is the use of this formula? See, how will say that this amount of charge a body will have or the body will not have? Suppose anybody tell you that I have given a charge Q is equal to 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb to any conductor. It is true or false? So see, you will place 8.2 into 10 power 9 here, means 8.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 is equal to n into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 9. This minus 19 cancel. So n is equal to coming here 8.2 divided 1.6. Now this is not a integer, this is not whole number, this will come fraction. So you see it will come about how much? 82 divide 60. So this is coming 5.125. 5.125. Now you see n cannot be this value because you cannot transfer 5.125 electrons. So this charge is not possible. This amount of charge cannot be given to any conductor. Okay. Now see number 3 is what? Conservation of charge. Conservation of charge. See, conservation of charge means a statement is what? Charge cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. It simply transferred from one object to another, such that total amount of charge in an isolated system remains constant. I am giving one example here. Suppose uranium 238. This is 92. When it decays, you are finding thorium plus 1 alpha particle. Here thorium is 234 and this is 90. So what you are finding here? Total charge before decay is 92e and total charge after decay is 90 plus 2 also 92e. It means charge is conserved. Charge cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, simply transferred from one place, one object to other, such that total charge of an isolated system remains constant. So this is about the charge. Three basic properties. Now see Coulomb's law. This Coulomb's law states, a statement is given in two forms. One is qualitative, other is quantitative. What is qualitative statement? Similar charge repel each other, but dissimilar charge attract each other. This is the qualitative statement. Number two, quantitative statement is what? Suppose there are two charges like this. One is here Q1, other is here Q2. They are separated by a distance r. If both the charge similar, they will repel. If both the charge dissimilar, they will attract. It means there is a force of attraction. Suppose the force of attraction is F. Then this force will depend upon what? Number two, this force of attraction or interaction is directly proportional to the product of the charges. Means F is directly proportional to Q1 and Q2. And the second is F proportional 1 by R square. Means force of interaction between the two charges is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. Combine these two, you will get F proportional Q1 into Q2 divide R square. When you replace this kind of proportionality, you will get one by 4 pi epsilon. This is read as epsilon, and this epsilon is what? Epsilon is permittivity. Permittivity of medium between the two charges. This charge is Q1, this charge is Q2. Any medium is between these two. Epsilon is the permittivity of these two charges. Now see, this epsilon is written like epsilon 0 into K. Here K is what? K is dielectric constant of the medium, and epsilon 0 is what? Permittivity of free space, maybe vacuum, maybe air. Now see, use this equation to find the unit of permittivity. So from here, epsilon is coming Q1 into Q2 divide 4 pi f r square. From here the unit will come what? Coulomb square per Newton per meter square.